Welcome in today's amazing video, and today we're going to look at capitalization rules. Capitalization rules. Amateeka ge tugoberera nga tuwandiika ennyukuta mu bunene bwazo oba mu butono bwazo. So capital letters, these are letters in upper case. Capital letters are letters in upper case. For example, capital A is written like small a. You understand? Okay, so let's see, when do we use capital letters in English language? Tukozesa ddi ennukuta ennene mu lulimi oluzungu. Remember, here we learn English and Luganda with ease. Okay, so let's get started. Number one, the rule we follow: use a capital letter at the first word of a sentence. Once again, we use a capital letter when we are writing the first word at every sentence. Kyentegeeza ki mu kino? Ntegeeza ki mu kino? Nti oba owandiika emboozi, ennyukuta esooka ku mboozi eyo gy'oba owandiika erina okuba ennyukuta nene. The first letter at every sentence should be in capital letters. Let's have an example. An example, we have she is coming. She is coming. Ye ali kujja. Ye ali kujja. So she is coming. The first letter on that sentence, she is coming, is she. So she is coming. Ye ali kujja oba ye ajja. Ye ali kujja oba ye ajja mu Luganda. She is coming. So ekigambo kisoosa na she oba ye mu Luganda. Otuba tuwandiika she, leeta esooka eri s ku she, eri s-h-e. Tugenda kuwandiika s mu capital letter. So kubanga kyekigambo ekisooka ku mboozi she is coming, ye ali kujja. Otuba tuwandiika she, tugiwandiika mu capital letters kubanga the rule says when we are writing the first word at every sentence, the first letter must be in capital form. That's why S should be in capital form. In other words, when we are writing the first word on every sentence, we use a capital letter. Ndowooza ko tukategedde. Buli kigambo ekisooka ku mboozi kibeera mu nnyukuta nnene. So she oba ye erina okubeera mu capital letter, tukozesa small letter. Ndowooza tukategedde awo. Rule number 2, we have when the word is pronoun I. When the word is pronoun I, what do I mean by this? Webanga nakasigirwa gy'okozesa eri I oba nze mu Luganda. Remember, twasoma ku nakasigirwa, twagamba nakasigirwa, they are pronouns in English. So when the letter is pronoun I, it doesn't matter which part it is in the sentence. You have to write with capital I. For example, I am coming today. I am coming today. Nze ngenda kujja leero. So oba owandiika I ebeera mu capital form. You capitalize the letter I when you are writing it as a pronoun. Oba ogiwandiika nga nakasigirwa. Let's have another example. I went to the market. Remember, it is the first letter of the sentence. I went to the market. So I is going to be capital. I egenda kuba mu bunene bwayo. Let's see when it is used in the middle. It was done because I came in. It was done because I came in. Kyo kyakoleddwa kubanga nze nazze. So when you are using I, in that case, it was done because I has to be capital because it is the pronoun I. You can't write I when you are representing a pronoun and you write it in small. Write I when you are referring to a pronoun and you write it in small letter case. So it has to be capital or upper case. That's why we say it was done because I, in capital letters, I came in because I represent a pronoun. So oba wandika nakasigirwa ya I ngeri mu mboozi etegeeza omuntu ogiwandika mu capital letter. So that is rule number 2. Let's go to rule number 3. When we are writing proper nouns. When we are writing proper nouns nga tuwandiika proper nouns. So noun twagamba, a noun is a name of anything. So proper noun, I mean specific names given to people, organizations, places, and many other names that represent organizations. I mean specific names that are given to people, places, or organizations. Gana amanya getuwa abantu, ebifo, oba n'ebintu ebirala ebituumibwa amanya ag'enkizo. Let's have an example. John. John is good. John muntu mulungi. John is good. So John ogenda kiwandiika mu capital letter. John, J, you start J with a capital letter kubanga linnya lya muntu. It represents a name of a person. Mary. Mary is a name given to a person. So it is a specific noun or it's a proper noun. So ogenda kuwandikamu capital letter Mary. Another one we have Uganda. Uganda is a name given to a country. Lyerinnya lyebawa ensi. So bw'owandika Uganda mu sentence yo mu Luzungu ogenda kuwandikamu capital letter. You start you with a capital letter. For example, I come from Uganda. Newebanga Uganda eri makati g'ekigambo ogenda kuwandikamu capital oba upper form. That's why we say Uganda tukiwandikamu upper case oba mu nnyukuta ennene ya U. Tuli fenna. Okay, let's proceed. Tulinawo oyinza okubanga ekitongole, for example, Bena group of companies. Bena group of companies. Tuba tuwandika mu sentence tugenda kukozesa capital letters kubanga z'erinnya ly'ekintu oba erinnya ly'ekitongole. It is represented in capital letters. It is a proper noun. Those tuli fenna. That is the third rule we follow when we are writing capital letters. Titles and names given to people. Titles and names given to people. So when you are writing some titles and names that are given to people, we use capital letters. Wetuba tuwandika ebitiibwa ebiweebwa abantu. For example, President Barack. President tukiwandikamu capital letter. For example, Mr. Benny Benny. Mr. tukiwandika with M, R, the initial, right? Capital M and R in the sentence. Whenever bang eri makati gembos tugamba, for example, I was called by Mr. Benny. So Benny starts uppercase and Mr. M tutandikane uppercase nyukuta ennene kubanga it is a specific name and it is a specific title given onto that person. Tuba tuwandika amanya g'ebitiibwa tutandisa capital letters. I was treated by Dr. Musa. I was treated by Dr. Musa. When we are writing doctor, the initial DR, we write in upper case. When a word starts a sentence, we banga ekigambo kyekitandika sentence. When we are using pronoun I, when we are using proper nouns, wetubanga amanya getuwandika gegali specific and titles and names amanya g'ebitiibwa agaweebwa abantu. Finalize with using capital letters in the next video. But today let's stop here. Bye bye. Wherever.